It is starting to rain. Hey， 大家好，我是 Jonathan， 你们在看台湾两轮的频道。Today I'm out on my scooter. I just left Wandan Township. It started raining. I pulled over in the first dry spot that I could find under this highway to take shelter. However, the rain did not last long. As you can see, it's actually quite sunny. And there's this beautiful path that goes under this highway. I'm not sure how far it goes, but I've already seen some runners, walkers, some people hanging out under the highway here. It's a pretty cool spot. Today I will be going into Neibu in Chaozhou Township. My goals are get a little bit of exercise, jump rope, shadow box, maybe a little bit of dancing, and get a dessert. I'm thinking a mango bing or a mango shaved ice. Hope you enjoy this vlog. Let's go. Just came into Neibu Township. I drove by this elementary school and there is this really cool mural on the side of the building that I want to show you. So there is actually an old street or a Lao Jie here in Neibu that starts behind me. Let's go check it out. We are looking for a Catholic church out here in the middle of nowhere. I saw it on Google. Let's go find it.